What sets us apart from other solutions out there?
So there are a number of things. Number one is that vision and having that holistic view of everything that needs to be that the rail organisations do, all of the business processes that need technology support. I had a call with a client last week. I explained our approach, and they just said, we're not aware of anybody else that has that breadth of vision of recognising the integrated nature of the problem. That the fact you've got to plan to the rail network, you've got to plan the services, manage the allocation of fleet, the allocation of drivers. Nobody else is doing that. So that's a key differentiator for us, I think. More granular examples is in the space of rail crewing, for example, there are a lot of generic workforce planning solutions out in the market that can be used to do rail crew planning, but planning's a simple bit. The challenge is what happens when those plans don't work anymore. So there's quite a number of organisations that can do rail crew planning. There's a fewer number of organisations that can do the scheduling when we start talking about the actual allocation of people, looking at issues like fatigue management, whether they've got appropriate skills and accreditation to be able to operate a particular locomotive unit, or do they have the right RAT knowledge. So there's fewer organisations that can do the scheduling. But a key example where, again, we differentiate is in the day of operations. When you're putting that plan into action, of course, things go wrong every single day. Trains are delayed, branches can come down over the network, we can lose the electrical overhead, any number of things that can go wrong. And we're quite unique in the space, I believe we're the only vendor that can actually apply our same business process and our same technologies in the day of operations to manage the disruption management on the fly. Not aware of any other vendor that can do that at the moment.
Wow, that's been really, really interesting. Well, thank you so much, Cameron. I've really enjoyed talking to you and learning more about the rail industry. It's been really good.
It's been a pleasure to be here.
Thank you.
Cheers.